Good morning, everybody. Welcome to No Winning. We are gonna do the front sway bar on the Forester. Last time we ran out of time for the rear, and maybe at the end of the video we'll go and check the rears real quick. So we have the front one right here, the 26. I'm gonna try my best to go put the harder one on this one. So it would be, I think this one is the more stiffer. So this is what comes with little tie rods basically. So we're gonna start unbolting the old one, or the original, and then go from there. We got everything out already. Looks like I might have to take a bunch of stuff off. So let's get into it. I don't think I've seen a front sway bar put on. So if you're watching this,
wish me luck.
Definitely gonna take a little bit. So it looks like we're gonna have to take off all the little skid plates. So I'm already draining this. All right, let's get into it. All right, 10mm, take off your skid plate. All right, get your pop clip pliers. Get some. Save your life. Skid plates. One, two. All right. All right, they're both removed. So we wear bushings holders, and I'm probably gonna take off this plate right here. This plate right here. There's 4 bolts, and then go from there.
You guys are like, man, it's nice having extra hands around here.
Yeah, it is.
This is what it's like to have a GoPro.
Over this, over that. Alright, I need a bigger a pry bar. I need the breaker bar. It's in the toolbox. The longest one you got.
Oh, I got a lot.
Oh, I got take them over here. What the hell? Oh, mother. Sheesh. Yeah.
Broke it? I almost slapped the shit out of his face.
Yeah, this one to break off too. Damn, it's like on there. What the hell? Kind of crazy.
Kind of like they don't want you to take it off.
Yeah, well, I need to take it out because, I mean, shit. Dang.
Are you recording or no?
Yeah.
Mother shit. Oh, there's a bolt behind it. Why, Subaru? I need to record something. Alright, so now we got the sway bar going. Now you can actually see the sway bar in its entirety. So it'll probably just fall down. Now you can get to the bolts here, just behind this plastic stuff. Behind this. Get the both bolts, blah blah blah. Okay. Let's go. Okay, this one's a bolt. The top one's a bolt, and the bottom one is a nut, which is weird. Really weird. Okay, driver's side. Same thing. This is crazy. Okay, my pop lip city here. 12 again right here. This one is a bolt, not a nut, remember.
Watch your hand.
That one kind of hurt actually. Okay, now it's falling. So finally.
That dump pipe or that J pipe's not gonna be in the way to get it out. Oh.
That's a holder. Do we need that? Yeah, we need that.
No, I don't need you.
There you go.
Okay, that's off. Now comes the fun part. You got the Allen key for that other piece? Okay, let me get it.
David, you want to do me a favor and clean? All right, film this. Oh, all right, film these things. I mean, clean them. Sorry, my bad.
Try this. Size.
Clean the inside with a brush. Okay, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's all I have.
All right, so it's a 6mm Allen is what we need. I don't know how I'm gonna get this thing out, dude. I hope it works. Let's see, I've never seen it done, so.
How I am.
Okay, now it's spinning, so I'm gonna put the thing on. Don't look on there. Okay. Now we just take the whole thing out, put the top on. Can't mess it up, so. No, I shouldn't. You shouldn't. I'm supposed to. Alright, so they got a washer on the inside and then just a nut on the outside. It's almost out.
That's what she said.
It's almost out, baby. Alright, watch your head, watch your head.
I'm watching it, Alright. I'm gonna stop it right here. Oh, I see the nuts fall. Your nuts dropping. Okay, I'm gonna stop it right.
Alright, we took the tire off. Again, just like the rear. And we're gonna try to get the sway bar out that way. Slowly. Shit. My body.
It's not like there's anything important there, is there?
Yeah, well, yeah, the wreck and pinion thing. Wait, so hold up.
You know, it's the reckon. You don't
I'm
know.
not even pulling.
What do you need a reckon pinion for?
Oh, I have electronic steering. Sorry, guys. Electronic steering. This whatever this little box is. Okay, I'm in the way now. Okay, go out, David. Oh, hold on. My body. Okay, go spin it. Okay. Oh, my stock. Oh, wait. Okay, it's going. Hold on. Slowly. Spin it. There. No, the other way. There you go. Okay, go.
Oh, the blue card better not be in the way.
What?
The blue card better not be in the way.
No, it's this piece right here is in the way.
Okay, hold on. Wait, slowly. Spin it, go. Gentle.
Watch the blue card.
Ow. What? Yeah, watch the car. Watch the blue car. Watch it. I told you it was going to be in. Oh, no, my wrap. Why, David? Why would you do that?
Oh!
Alright, it's out.
It's out! It's out!
Oh, man, dude. Put the fan.
Close your eyes. No, don't breathe.
Closer. There? Did it go?
Yeah, most of the time. Okay.
Ah, my wrap, dude. My wrap's torn. Alright, we're front, sway bar out. Finally. Wow. I don't even know which way.
Okay.
I don't even know which way it came out, dude. Honestly, I don't even know. Alright, so now we're gonna measure. So it's out. We're gonna measure see what the length thing with the caliper that they gave us or rented us.
$50 a day.
Yeah. Okay, so I was gonna take these out. These are the front sway bar bushings, and I just wanted to make sure that I was doing everything correctly. So it says these have grease-free technology, okay, grease-free. So it has like a little don't know if you can see that.
Yeah.
You can see the, like it's like a fur or something. That's weird.
Like
It
a
feels
mesh type,
crazy.
yeah.
But yeah, it looks. You can see that.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's very interesting. I don't know why they didn't do that for the back. I put grease on the back, so we're good. Okay. All right. So you got that sway bar on. The one with all the crazy curves is on the driver's side. So yeah, good luck with that one. If you want. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna clean the bushing area with the wire brush. Make sure it's really clean. You don't want any residue. It hurts. Okay. Got the passenger side on, driver's side now. It's really tight fit. Wow. Okay. Nut here. There we go. There it is. Okay. Put the nut on. Get the bolt in front. I am itching like crazy. I can feel it already. Might just be my mind. In my mind. Alright, it's in. Really close to my.
It's set up already? Don't forget them nuts.
Links, baby.
Did you get them nuts?
Yep. Okay.
Wait. Not sponsored by.
Celsius, live fit.
Not. But if Celsius, if you ever see this, I'll take some free Celsius.
No, I'm missing a ground somewhere. On my stock Forester.
The OEM Forester.
Alright, we got the sway bar in. Alright, we're gonna leave the washers. It came with, in the packaging, it came with double washers. I'm just gonna put double and double. Okay. Oh, so that was Plaid GTI.
And a Nissan.
Yes. Alright, so I'm gonna do the double washer and the double washer on the outside, and then the flange nut. Okay. We already measured them to make sure they're the stock size. We already tightened them up a little bit. There's a little lock nut here. So we're gonna put them in. And we're gonna go sniff us on the front.
Beep, 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 beep.
I can't move it. Okay, there we go. Okay, you can only go somewhere, so that's really weird. Oh, I think I can move it a little bit to the side now or something. Okay, well, I guess not. So I'm gonna do the one that's higher. It's closer to the bushing, right? Am I gonna be able to? Alright, let's see. Crap. Oh man, this might be kind of hard.
That's why there's no videos for it.
Oh, what? Okay, got the first one in. Okay. Put the double washer. And then the flange nut. Right here. Okay. Just gonna leave it loose for right now. Until I get, I don't know how I'm gonna get that one in. I did not think this through. Oh wow, this is like
Way easier.
wow.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Hey, so, something's wrong.
Yeah.
Why is it too easy?
No, it was a pain in the butt. Don't worry. All right, flange nuts on. I don't know why it's stopping over there, but it stopped. Okay. Just do the other side real quick.
Would you say you dropped your nuts? Your nuts finally fell? Your nuts finally dropped? I fucked up.
Alright. Wow. Oh shit. Alright, so now I
So
can
now, you know for a fact something was wrong because it's too easy on one side and too hard on the other. Are you doing it the right side?
What?
Yeah.
Too thick. Oh, how did I do it? Nothing. something like this. Okay,
It's freaking glare in the sun.
Okay, so I'm putting it out like that. Right? So make sure it focuses on me. I guess.
I'm focusing on the part that you're working on.
Okay. Oh, shit. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, it's going well.
Something's wrong.
Guess we got the hard part, which was getting the sway bar
Out?
in there first.
Oh.
Out and in. In and out, but I don't like. Whataburger for life. Don't at me.
Come at me.
So Whataburger is the best. In and out sucks.
In-N-Out's not
I
bad.
can't even customize it. Can you get jalapenos on it?
Yeah. Do you even put jalapenos in yours? Does it even matter?
Yeah, bacon jalapenos.
Yeah, I'm sure you can get bacon. I don't even remember the last time I had it in out.
Okay, so I got that. I guess we just tighten it up now. It's kind of weird.
Something's wrong.
Yeah, they're both. Yeah, the nuts are both on the inside.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it right there. And action.
All right, so we're back. It was going a little bit too smooth. We found out why. They changed the nut size on us. So now it is a 19. It's the biggest one we have.
Thank God.
Ratcheting wrench. So we're gonna tighten up all the end links, the two end links. So, and that should be it. And then we'll check the rear in a little bit because it's kind of figured me out. I think it moved or something. So yeah, we'll be back. We'll be right back. Ready? Okay. All right, we got the front sway bar on. We just noticed that I went for a drive. Okay, and right when I started it, I noticed a vibration, right? And I went for a drive still. I came back, and the response is there. It's really good. You should definitely get them. The response is there.
Wait, me?
Huh?
Or you? The viewer.
Yeah, the
You.
viewer, you watching this right now. If you have a Forester XT turbo, if you take it to the track, definitely get the front and rear. But I went for the drive, noticed a vibration. I was like, okay. So I came back, backed it in, and we checked it. We started it again, and my stock downpipe is hitting the sway bar. So I don't know how to fix that without adjusting the end link.
Or have to hammer it in. Create a little.
I don't know.
Create a little.
In other words, I'm gonna need a new downpipe soon. I don't know we don't know yet what to do with that one, but that vibration might get to me later. Right now we're gonna check the rear, because the lateral links were moving, I think, right?
Yeah, one of them was like
One of them
this.
was real far
One was
off
like this, or
something, so you need to figure out what's going on there. Stay tuned for the next video. Probably more Forester stuff or SCI stuff. Maybe. We'll see. Maybe we'll get the blue one running. Yeah, it's got like some cobwebs and stuff. All right, later. See you in the next one.